Okay folks, so I'm going to part assemble my rear wheel. I've just realised that I do not have this seal here, which is a bit of a pain, but I can live without that for a minute. So I'm going to put the bearings in and then have a go at spoking it. Bear with me. So it should be that bearing, that cap, and this one. So that looks like that fits in there. This is going to be a challenge. Next is tube, something like that, so. Just put a little bit of grease on there. Next, bearing. Got it, as you can see, from RS Components, because it's a cheaper way of doing it. So I've got the rubber seal in there. This is my tool that I made up to do this, I don't know what they call it. What do they call that? Bearing retainer ring. It's a special tool by Honda, but this is my specially made one out of a floor tiling thing you hit, so it pulls a wooden floor up together. So that works a treat. So my next job I think I wanted to do was install the brake parts. So I've got the hub built properly. So let's have a look. So that goes through there, that's on there, and then that is on there somehow, on there. So that'll do temporarily. Brake pads. There. Springs are here. Probably the easiest way is just to put them in like this. Okay. Right, so that should go on there. There. I'll use these until I get a sprocket. So what I think I'm going to do is put a bit of oil on this. Put the nuts on. And then, yeah, As you can see, I laid the spokes out because there are two sets. There's an inner and an outer spoke set. One's about 90 degrees, the other one is probably, I don't know, 60, 70 degrees. So one goes from the outside inward and the other set goes from the inside out, and you have to make sure you get those around the right way. And the rim also, those holes are directional, so you have to ensure that they face the direction of the spokers coming at them, so that it's all aligned. And that's what I did wrong first time round. So I took 2 attempts to do the rear wheel, which is pretty good because I took 5 on the front wheel. Once all the spokes in and nipples are already on lightly, I tightened them all by hand, so they're all just had a little bit of tension on them. Then I went round again, and then I made sure they had probably half a thread showing on the spoke, so that left quite a bit of adjustment to do. And then I slowly went round and adjusted it and made sure the wheel was running true in both directions, and you'll see that in the clips coming up, although I've speeded it up a bit so you don't get bored. Now that's pretty much ready. When I take it to a local shop here to get a tyre and any tube put on it, etc., I'll have them check the spoke tension and make sure it's fairly true. It is pretty close. You'll have 3 mil clearance out of alignment, but I want it a bit closer than that, so if I can get it within 1 mil, and it's not too bad at the moment, but we'll get them to double check. That will be the same for the front. Okay, so that's a rear wheel built up for the moment. Thanks for watching. Speak to you soon. Bye bye.